Okay, so you start right here.
Okay, yes.
And your objective is to find the same thing on this side versus this side. So this is 1, 2, 3, right?
And then I believe
so that's
it's
2/3.
Believe it's right there. The one that looks like.
Yeah, and then you come over here. Or you know what? I think yeah.
Okay.
And that's correct.
Oh, that seems easy.
Yeah. So you just got to find the same one. So
that looks exactly the same. Oh, okay, okay.
So now, here's this. 4. There's 4 of them. Asa. There's 4 of them. That's 1/4. Right?
Yes.
Sorry, baby. So now, So now you gotta look for the one that's like 1/4.
Is it this one right here? Because it has.
Well, let's see.
Because it does look.
Yep.
Oh.
You got that answer right.
Yeah, this looks easy.
So here's the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1/5.
Okay.
Which one looks like 1/5?
Oh, there it is up there.
Yep. That's it. Let's see, just to be sure. Come to the next one. Yep.
Oh, okay. See, I guess I know this.
You do know it. Okay, 1/2. What's the same as 1/2?
Let's see. Find it. Of course, it's not this one because this one's different.
Yeah, no, that's right. Because 2/4 is the same as 1/2. See how half of it's shaded? Let's go right there. Come to the next one. Let's see what happens. Yep, see?
Oh, so it can be different size? Doesn't have to be the same thing?
No, I mean, that's the same size. I mean, it's the same size. It's the same square or same rectangle. See? And half of it's just this side, or I guess you could say this side, is highlighted versus the left side. So I guess if anything, that one like kind of wanted to trick you, you know?
Oh, yeah, see, that's what you told me.
Yeah. Okay, so here's your next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 3/5. So what looks like 3/5?
Let's see.
Bless you, baby.
Mama.
This one is a little bit tricky.
Oh, wait, I think I might know it. Let's see. Not that one, not that one. We already did.
And count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's not that one because this one is 4.
Think of it like this. Instead of it being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, or I mean, there's 10 of them, but there's 6. So 6/10 is the same as 3/5. It's just instead of it being every other one, they just put it all together. See, now that, yeah, they kind of wanted to trick you. Now let's see. See? That's the answer.
Okay.
Okay. And then that one is what? 1/3?
Yeah, 1/3.
This one.
Oh, is it this one right here? See that one right there?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yep, that's the answer. And then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And it has to be, let's see, this one right here.
It looks like it. Yep. Wait a minute. Oh no, I didn't mess up. I thought I messed up. I was like, oh shoot. Okay, go for it.
See now.
That one's this one. Sorry.
We're at this one?
Yeah. I already did that whole one. Okay. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's this one right here.
Ah! What about that?
See where we're at. This one right here. And then this one right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then, let's see.
It's just one more left.
Guess that one right there.
Yeah. And then lock it. And then you check your keys. Check your keys. And let me see. You know what? I'm going to have to like color them in. But those lines are the keys. Hold on.
Yeah, I can see.
So yeah, you got it right.
Everything's all right. See, all lines.
You got a 100.
All lines connected. Okay.